Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I've been trying this really delicious coffee from Grateful Earth, and I have to say I'm highly impressed by the taste of it and how it makes me feel. I've been very leery about mushroom coffee in the past and tried some that honestly were really quite disgusting, but this one you would never even know that has the mushrooms in it. Each of the packets that comes in this package have all of the ingredients that they have on the bag. So you get great notes of cinnamon and the mushroom and turmeric, lion's mane, really all of the ingredients that go into making this a really good cup of coffee. The coffee itself, once you put it in hot or cold water, it is so blendable. Within seconds, I can definitely truly enjoy that cup of coffee. I also really like that it has a built-in coconut creamer. Even when traveling on the road, I recently stayed at a hotel. Who wants hotel coffee when you can have a great cup of coffee like this and not even need creamer? So if you're looking to try mushroom coffee and enjoy its benefits, enjoy the caffeine without all that jitter that comes with normal coffee, then you definitely need to check this out. I was highly impressed by the taste of it and the quality, and that's my point of view.